Many of you that live in the United States, like myself, know how difficult it is to actually have access to either Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency that's readily available for you to either be able to trade it or be able to actually participate in different blockchain projects or cryptocurrency projects. You have to have Bitcoin or any of these cryptocurrencies available to be able to do that. In many cases, companies like Coinbase or Gemini or many of these exchanges that are compliant in the United States, you have to do KYC, which is fine, but once you actually verify your ID, it usually takes a week, sometimes 2 weeks or more to actually have your cryptocurrency available for you to withdraw out, just because of the security reasons within these exchanges. Cash App is amazing because you're able to actually not only verify your ID through KYC and have it approved rather quickly, but you're able to actually withdraw that Bitcoin out literally within that same day or maximum 2 days. Okay, sometimes you can actually have it available within an hour. And so today I'm going to show you how to actually set up your Cash App, how to purchase your first Bitcoin, and how to ensure that you verified your ID through KYC so that way you can withdraw that Bitcoin immediately right here on this video. All right, guys, welcome back to Passive Income Group, where we show you exactly how to generate passive income right from the comforts of your home. And of course, I'm no financial advisor. I'm just an enthusiast, especially in the cryptocurrency space. So I'm only going to share with you exactly what I'm doing within my own household. So if you feel like this video has added value to you any way whatsoever, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and of course hit that bell so that way you get notified every single time that we upload videos every single time. So today we're going to go over exactly how to set up your own Cash App and be able to actually show you how to withdraw that Bitcoin out of your Cash App immediately. There's a couple of nuances that you're going to need to know so that way you're prepared for that. And a couple of things that you also need to know is that in order for you to withdraw Bitcoin out of your Cash App account, you must have a balance of at least 0.001 Bitcoin to make that withdrawal. You can withdraw up to $2,000 worth of Bitcoin every 24 hours and even up to $5,000 within a 7-day period. Okay, so also transfer to external wallets usually take around 2 hours, but can take longer depending on your verification. So we'll walk you through that. The other thing is that if you actually just verified your ID through KYC, in many cases, you're only eligible to withdraw around $500 the first day. The second day you can withdraw $1,000, and then any day after that will be about $2,000 a day, up to $5,000 within a 7-day period. To get set up, right below this video in the information section, you want to expand that and you'll find a setup link to Cash App. Click on that and it'll start downloading and installing into your mobile device immediately. From there, we're going to show you how to set it all up so that way you can get started. And it's really easy to set up your Cash App. I love how simple it really is. So you can enter your phone or email. In this case, I'm going to put in my phone number. And then afterward, it's going to send you a confirmation code. Go ahead and punch that in. And then it'll immediately prompt you to invite friends. So we're going to skip through that. Okay, guys, now that we're set up, we are officially in the home page of your Cash App. Now, the first thing you need to do is you need to link your bank account or your debit card. So on the bottom of your home page, you're going to see the word link bank. So go and click on that. And it says add a bank using your debit card. So I'm going to go and punch in my debit card right now. So now that you linked your bank, you're ready to purchase Bitcoin. On the bottom right, you're going to see the Bitcoin logo. Go and click on that. And you'll notice that there's two options once you click on that. There's stocks and then there's Bitcoin. Make sure you click on Bitcoin. And in this example, I'm going to go ahead and actually purchase a small amount just to show you exactly how it's done. You want to click on buy. And from here, you'll have several options. You have $1 up to $100 and even customize your purchase if you want to purchase more. If you click on the 3 dots. In this example, I'm going to go ahead and actually buy about $20 worth. So I'm going to click on 20. I'm going to click next. Once you click next, you're going to be prompted to confirm your purchase. And I want you to notice that there is a 0.45 cent fee from this $20 purchase, which is approximately right under 2%. as a transaction fee. I think that that is quite inexpensive. The fact that you're able to actually withdraw this Bitcoin out close enough to immediately, I think that's a good deal. So click on confirm. All right, now it's complete. I just made my first official $20 purchase of Bitcoin on Cash App. So now you'll notice that there's three different options. There's buy, there's sell, and then there is send, right? Which is a little paper airplane right there. And I did already do a KYC, which is verifying your ID. I did that earlier before I recorded this video. And make sure that you do so if you haven't done so yet. You'll know that you didn't do a KYC verification of your ID. When this section where it says deposit Bitcoin, it should say verify identity. Make sure you do that, because if you don't do that, you will not be able to withdraw your Bitcoin out. Also, after you verify your ID, on the right side, you see that paper airplane, which stands for send. When you click on that, you may see an option that says enable on-chain transactions. Make sure you click on that. Otherwise, you're not able to actually send out your Bitcoin out of Cash App. For me, I've already enabled that already. So when I click on that, I'm going to see this option right here, and I'm able to actually send out my Bitcoin out immediately. Once you verify your ID, you can also receive Bitcoin as well and use Cash App as a Bitcoin wallet by simply clicking on view Bitcoin address, and you actually have your address right here to receive Bitcoin. You can copy address. You can also share this address with others, so that way they can actually send Bitcoin right to you. All right, guys, hopefully this helps. Remember, make sure after you buy Bitcoin, you have to verify your ID through the KYC. Otherwise, you're unable to withdraw your Bitcoin. That's a big part. If you are looking to withdraw your Bitcoin out, most people forget to do that and they get stuck. Make sure you verify your ID, and also make sure you enable on-chain transactions right where you see the paper airplane. So that way you can actually be able to withdraw it out through the blockchain to wherever you want to send it to. Hopefully, guys, this helps. And if you feel like this added value to you in your life, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification as well. We appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching Passive Income Group. Take care. See you in the next video.